kika yung food.
Yung mga food nila. And grabe, Nanubabo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Saan ka ba makakakita sa Angeles City na sa halagang 200 pesos? Eh, napakalaki ng donkatsu nila. Guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan namin na-discover ang bagong restaurant na to, samahan nyo po kami sa video na to. Alright, so ayun guys, welcome to Jj Donking. So this is actually fairly new restaurant. Actually, nag-open lang po sila less than 6 months ago, and we were invited to check them out. Actually, pagdating namin dito, sabi ko, actually para sa bahay na kikay.
Oo.
And then right after that, guys, and nabigla po kami dahil
Hindi pala pang kika yung food.
yung mga food nila, and you can get this really big tonkatsu na to. Ayan, big plate. Actually, complete na siya. Meron siyang rice, vegetable, may kimchi, and of course, yung pinaka-meat natin, yung pork natin. Napakalaki. Actually, malaki pa sa palad ko. Okay, so ito yung spread natin. 6 dishes and counting. Sabi
Pero
nila.
yung nasa natin,
Una muna. Kasi nga yung mga serving nila dito, guys, big servings talaga. So meron tayong pizza, tayong set meals. So this one is a tonkatsu plus tempura plus yung mga sausage and side dishes. Ito naman yung kanilang chicken. This was actually a side.
a side dishes nila here.
Additional on their sides, yan, kimchi. And then meron tayo ditong steak. Steak itself, may tempura, may egg, and then meron din siyang rice. Katsu, fish, pura, at saka yung burger patty. That's your complete set. Para sa akin, I think that's a king's meal.
Nandun na lahat.
Nandun na lahat. Each meal has mga soups din, no? Yung bango. So guys, titingnan natin sila lahat. And actually, sabi nila sa atin, may paparating pa. So, join us. Let's go. So, ayun nga guys, I think the final count.
Oo, dumagdag na. Dumagdag. 9.
Good luck, bro. Clarity sa mga shinare nila sa atin na dishes.
Have a rundown.
Have a rundown, no? So, starting from there, yung tteokbokki, stir-fried mixed seafood, kimbap, barbecue chicken. So, ito naman yung kanilang cholfan steak. Actually, this one has so many in it.
Yes.
Parang may steak tayo dito, merong sausage at saka tempura. Speaking of tempura, yan, included din dito sa mga set natin. So, ito yung kanilang
Donking set.
this is the Donking set. Ito naman yung kanilang solo set.
Solo set. Pero
Solo set, napakalaki. Shrimp pizza. So, ito naman yung kanilang tonkatsu original. But what I can say, lahat po ng mga, for every dishes, it's always shareable.
Yeah.
Yeah, kain na tayo. Kanina pa ako gutom na gutom.
Okay, ulitin natin.
Go, bro!
Creamy.
So, ayun guys, finally, tingnan natin lahat. So, this is not the least sa mga dishes na pin-prepare nila sa atin, but we wanna give it real emphasis, no? Parang save the best for last. Para siyang ganun. So, this is their stir-fried mixed seafood. So, in it, meron tayong mga crab with shrimps. Ang lalaki din, ayan, no?
Squids, mussels.
Mostly, pag mixed seafood na ano natin, yung butter garlic, Cajun. But this one's stir-fried. So, para sa akin, medyo oriental instead of known seafood flavors natin. So, good job. A different taste, di ba?
Sarap.
So, still has that chili, spicy taste. Pero para sa akin, gusto ko siya kasi a little bit sweet and salty para sa akin.
Ang laki ng mga squid.
Gusto mo yan? Ako, mga shrimps. Grabe.
Diba?
Wow! Ang lambot nga nila. Very tender. It's not rubbery. Galing.
Hindi man po siya ganang kumakain ng squid, pero kumain siya dito.
This one I tried.
Ako rin eh.
Siyempre. Cheers!
Cheers! Partner!
Grabe. So, once again, we would like to thank Jj Donking for inviting us. Come and check out their dishes. Actually, hindi ko na-expect na ganito siya kalaki yung mga servings. Number 2, kasasarap yung mga pagkain. I mean, they're really not that blunt. na ina-expect ko sa mga tonkatsu.
Flavorful.
So flavorful, has strong. Number 3, I mean, the ambience, no? Pagdating niyo po dito is like, it's humak, no? Para siyang ganun yung pagkakasetup.
Hindi siya intimidating.
It's not intimidating. If you go here, guys, actually, it's located just along Philam Friendship Highway, along Barangay Cutcut, Angeles City. So, napaka-accessible niya kasi it's just along the highway na, no?
Yeah. And we will provide yung kanilang
Google
direction,
Map.
yung Google Map link sa ating caption. And also, yung makikita niyo doon yung front face ng kanilang business.
Yes, yung facade nila. So, Guro, final say, ano yung mga nagustuhan mo, Mami?
Wow! Ang nagustuhan ko, itong seafood.
Yes!
Napakasarap ng lasa. Minsan lang tayong nakakatikim.
Stir fry.
Stir fry, yes. So, gusto ko rin itong kanilang mga tonkatsu. Napakasarap din nila. Crunchy. Kahit na matagal na kami nag-shoot, masarap pa rin sila.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ay, this one.
Oh, yeah.
This
Chicken
one.
barbecue. Fried chicken siya, pero yung flavor niya is barbecue.
Yes.
So, napaka-thick nung kanyang sauce. As in, very sticky. No? Napansin mo yun, no? At the same time, still juicy actually yung meat. No?
Yes, I agree.
So guys, if you're interested to know more about this, please check out po yung fan page we're gonna be including in this post. And hopefully, makapunta po kayo dito. Come and check out, prove it to yourself.
Kung gaano kalalaki ang mga plates.
Kalalaki yung mga plates. Actually, yung mga kumain kanina dito, nakita ko, tinake out nila. Kasi sobrang dami
Hindi
nila naubos talaga. So, ayun guys, if you are looking for quantity as well as quality, go check out Jj Donking dito po sa Angeles. And guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next video.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye,
Thank you
guys.
for watching.
Thank you for watching.